There are 4 things we need to do to learn flows. Number 1, we need to cover the fundamentals. These are flow types, the commonly used elements and resources. Number 2, use cases. We need to build as many use cases as possible. This course is heavily focused on use cases. We're going to cover the fundamentals, we're going to cover the elements and resources and flow types and everything briefly, because the focus is the use cases. That's how you get that experience, and we're going to talk about why in a second. Third thing is community. Follow people that are passionate about flows. Read their posts and articles. Read tips and tricks, and watch YouTube videos, and make this a habit. Number 4, stay up to date. Salesforce makes 3 releases per year. Each one has a bunch of flow updates. Knowing these updates means that you're going to build more efficient flows. You're going to use new features that's going to save you time and help you solve things that probably we couldn't solve before. And then that helps you showcase your skills. Then, why use cases? Why are we focusing on use cases? It goes without saying, but there is a bunch of benefits from hands-on and practice. You're going to face errors. You're going to research them. You will have to think about these before building and during building, and even reflecting after you build. You're going to read articles. When you face an error, you're going to read stuff. You will have to experiment. Let me try this. Let me try null. Let me try blank. Let me try nothing. You will have to debug. You will have to read the debug logs. You will have to ask people in the community, resulting in connecting with people, and hopefully getting the solution that you're looking for. And of course, you might hit your head against a wall, which might be frustrating. At the end of the day, these experiences are not forgettable. When that happens, you remember things, and when you build another flow in the future in which the same problem might happen, you notice it early before it even happens. And if you see someone else showing you a flow, or you look at someone else's build, you can immediately tell that this is not gonna work because I saw it before and this happened with me before, and this is where you get the experience. Now, to make the most out of this course, number 1, try every use case. We're going to share a bunch of use cases. Try, like, if you're comfortable, try before looking at the solution. If you're not comfortable, still try. Number 2, mimic the solution. If we're applying it to object A, try to apply it to object B. If we are doing 2 fields, try to do 3 fields. Expand. Try to do things beyond what we are doing in one use case. If we cover one use case and then at a later time we cover a different use case, try to merge them together. Try to add some logic from the first one to the second one. Try to do things a little differently. Last is communicate. One of the best ways to learn something is to talk about it, is to educate others, is to record a YouTube video, publish on LinkedIn, and converse with people in the comments.